To use a PayPal prepaid card, you first need to activate it by logging into your PayPal account and following the activation prompts. Once activated, you can load funds onto the card using your PayPal account balance or by transferring money from a linked bank account. To load funds, log into your PayPal account, select the PayPal prepaid card option, and choose the Load Funds option. You can then select the amount you want to load and confirm the transaction. You can also load funds at participating retail locations such as grocery stores, pharmacies, and check cashing stores. To make a purchase with your PayPal prepaid card, simply swipe the card or insert the chip at a payment terminal and enter your PIN. You can use your card anywhere MasterCard is accepted, including online, in-store, and at ATMs when making a purchase online. You will need to enter your card information and billing address. To check your balance, you can log into your PayPal account, use the PayPal mobile app, or call the customer service number on the back of your card. You can also check your balance at an ATM. It is a good idea to regularly check your balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for your transactions. When using your PayPal prepaid card, it is essential to keep your card and PIN secure. Do not share your PIN with anyone, and make sure to sign the back of your card. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. If your card is lost or stolen, contact PayPal customer service immediately to report the incident and request a replacement card. In addition to making purchases, you can also use your PayPal prepaid card to withdraw cash at ATMs. Be aware that some ATMs may charge a fee for this service, so it is a good idea to check with the ATM operator before making a withdrawal. You can also use your card to pay bills or send money to friends and family using the PayPal service. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and effectively use your PayPal prepaid card for your daily transactions. Remember to always keep your card and PIN secure, and monitor your account activity regularly to avoid any potential issues.